Alright, so first I am going to start out with the clear jelly stamper polishes. So this kit, you get 20 different colors including a black and a white, and it retails for $85. I purchased mine from LuvNailz.com. She just started carrying the clear jelly stamper products, and I also order all of my accents gels from her, so when I saw that she started carrying it, I got super excited and I had to place an order. These are 5 milliliter bottles, so they are pretty small, you know, compared to like a regular polish. They're pretty small, and these are also 5 free. So for the sake of time, I think I am just going to stamp these on a swatch and then show you guys while I play some music in the background for you guys to listen to. Otherwise, this video is going to be like 20 hours long if I like pull out each color and talk about them. So I am just going to start swatching and I will show you guys all of these colors. Alright, so there are all the colors that comes in this kit. I did want to say a couple things before I move on to stamping plates. I think they stamped really nicely, especially the black over white was super crisp and perfect, and same with the white over black. So I wanted to show you guys too, they have a lot of different colors. You can buy them individually for $4.25, and then they also have these other 2 kits that come with 7 colors. So they have the rainbow kit, and then they also have the pastel kit right here. And these ones do not come with a black or a white. And those kits are $29.75 each. Okay, I got my paper towel out here because I want to try some of these images that have the layered stamping with the polishes. Okay, so there's my first little stamped little leaf. Cute. Then I'm going to go in with the darker color and do the outline, I think. You probably can't see that, but I'm trying to kind of line it up there. So that's what it looks like now. That is real, I mean, I'm pretty impressed already. That's really cute. Here we go, stamped the background. Now I think the tricky part is getting, you know, the outline to line up. There is my first attempt at a layered stamping flower. I got a little purple on the leaf on accident, but you know, first try gives you the idea. I think that is really cute actually. Besides my little mess up there, that's super cute. I'm definitely going to play around a little bit more and see how different colors look. Maybe if you use metallic it could be cool, or you could just do the outline in black. I think these are going to be really cute, and I want to get a couple more of these.